Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Guide, your go to channel for smart digital tools, side hustles, and everything online. Freelancing is booming, but if you're a beginner, one question keeps coming up: what's my niche? Now, before we start the countdown, let's clear this up. A niche simply means your specialty, the specific service you offer or problem you solve. For example, graphic design is a niche, but even within that, you could narrow down to YouTube thumbnail design or social media posts for restaurants. Why does this matter? Because when you have a niche, clients know exactly what you do. You stand out from the competition and you can charge higher rates over time. So, in this video, we're counting down the top 7 beginner friendly freelancing niches from number 7 all the way to number 1. And make sure to stick around because number 1 is not only beginner friendly, but also one of the fastest growing skills online. Let's start with number 7: customer support or chat support. Many startups and online businesses hire freelancers for live chat or email support. If you're good at communication and patience, this is a steady entry level niche. At number 6, we have data entry and research. It's simple, perfect for building confidence, and still in demand. It may not pay the highest, but it's an easy way to get your first clients and reviews. Number 5 is content writing. Blogs, product descriptions, and captions are needed daily. AI can help draft, but businesses still need your human creativity to polish and personalize. At number 4, we have graphic design. Who does not know Canva? Thanks to Canva, beginners can design logos, flyers, social media posts, and YouTube thumbnails without advanced software. Small businesses love quick and affordable designs. Coming in at number 3 is social media management. Well, only my father has no social media account, while everyone has. Social media fanatic, this is for you. If you love TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, this is a natural fit. Brands pay freelancers to create posts, schedule content, and reply to comments. Number 2, we have virtual assistants. This is one of the most popular beginner niches. You'll handle admin tasks like scheduling, email, and file organization. Over time, specialize as an Amazon or Shopify VA for higher pay. And finally, number 1, video editing. With TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts exploding, editors are in massive demand. You don't need fancy tools. CapCut and DaVinci Resolve are enough to start. Now that you know the top 7 niches, how do you choose the one that fits you best? Here's a step by step method. Step 1: start with your skills and passions. Ask: do I like writing, design, or organizing? Step 2: check market demand. Browse Upwork or Fiverr to see what's trending. Step 3, bridge the gap. Means learn free tools like Canva, CapCut, ChatGPT, and Trello. Step 4, test small. That means do sample projects, even free or portfolio work. Step 5, specialize. From general VA to Shopify VA or from content writer to SEO for SaaS. And the last one, step 6, build your brand. Showcase on LinkedIn, portfolio, or social media. So there you have it, the top 7 freelancing niches for beginners and the secret of what niche really means. Remember, you don't need to figure it all out today. Start small, keep learning, and over time, your niche will find you. So, which niche are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Good luck in finding your niche. And if this one helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thank you for watching. See you at the next one.